Adding chat to Multimedia Contact Center enables the contact center to route chat sessions to designated queues. To add chat, you must add a chat media server. In your Site Explorer, from the Multimedia menu, select Media Servers. Click Add. Select Chat. Enter a name. The external URL for chat route section needs to be integrated with a customer's external-facing website. See your webmaster for the required external URL. A default internal URL for chat route is automatically entered for testing purposes. Specify the auto-response username. For our demonstration, we have named ours Chatbot. Go to the Inbound Routing tab. The default workflow opens. The Transfer to Failed to Route branch can be configured. However, if it is not used, it must be deleted. Validate the workflow. To validate, click anywhere on the Designer Workflow area. Choose Show Properties. Check the box Validate Workflow. Return to the toolbox. Although it is common to have a single chat queue, it is possible to use multiple queues for chat. The Ask activity enables a workflow to automatically ask questions of contacts and route them based on their responses. Chat contacts can be routed to different chat queues using the Ask activity. The Ask activity is configured with a single question that will be asked by the media server or queue. The contact is routed down branches based on their responses. To demonstrate, let's use the example of a business with both a sales and a support chat queue. From the toolbox, drag and drop the Ask activity above the Transfer to Queue branch. Right-click the Ask header. Select Question. Type the question. Click OK. We need to configure the answer branches. Click the Ask header again. Choose Add Branch. Choose Add. Click on the arrow for the last collected digit. Enter sale. Click OK. Click OK again. Right-click the Ask header. Select Add Branch. Click Add. Click the arrow for the value. Enter support. Click OK. Click OK again. When a chat contact types in sales, the contact is routed to the sales branch. When they type in support, they are routed to the support branch. We will delete the Transfer to Queue branch and add the transfer activity to each answer condition. Click on the Transfer to Queue branch. The transfer activity routes to the destination configured. For more information on the transfer activity, please see our additional videos. The Say activity can be used to send a message to the chat contact prior to their chat being transferred to an agent. When a chat contact answers support, they will be sent a message before being routed to the support queue. To configure from the toolbox, drag and drop the Say activity to below the support header. Right-click the Say header. Choose Message. Type in the message to be displayed while being transferred to a chat agent. Click OK. When the chat contact types in support, they see a message advising them their request is being transferred to the support queue. The chat media server automatically requests an email address from the chat contact. It automatically sends the chat transcript when complete. To configure, go to Response Routing. A ready-to-use default workflow opens. In version 10.2, new functionality was added to support multiple languages. A subroutine is used to handle all the supported languages. To edit this, browse to Subroutines. Select the default email chat transcript subroutine. There is an option for each supported transcript language. If you use multiple languages, you need to right-click on each activity and assign SMTP server. If you use a single language, it may be easier to copy the email activity and paste it to the media server. Right-click on the email activity under the language. Click Copy. Return to the Response Routing tab on the Chat Media server. Delete the subroutine activity. Right-click and paste the email activity. Right-click the email, your requested transcript header. Choose Edit SMTP Server. Select the SMTP Mail server. Click OK. You need to validate the workflow. Right-click in the workflow area. Select Show Properties. Check the box to validate workflow. Save the changes. The Send Chat Transcript feature is now enabled.